So we enter off with finishing the second layer and the first layer together. So now we are gonna finish the last layer. So it's either you will get this combination. Look closely. This, what you'll do is you'll get this small arrow, straight line, or a dot, or in the middle. So if you get those things, what you do is, first for this, getting the dot. So what you do is face it up. Okay, let me just wait. I'll be back. So what you do is put the dot upwards, then do this F U R F. You got a straight line. So when you get this straight line, what you do is face it so that it's horizontal, like this, not like this, but like this. Then you do this F R U R I U I F I. So you got a fish shape. So let's move on to this. So if you get this small arrow or L shape, so people call it L shape, small L. So what you do is face it, put this so that it's on the top left. Okay, then you do this F U R U I R I F I. So you got a cross. This is like once in a million chance you'll get a cross. But what happened is the cross is not straight. So the cross does not have the all colors fixed. So move it aside. So now let's go to let's finish this also. F R U R I U I F I. So look, you got a fish shape. The similarity is that both I'll tell you later. What happened is you take the fish shape. When you have the fish shape, make sure that this square, the 1 2 3 4, this square is pointing to the bottom right, like this, not like this, not like this, not like this, but like this. Okay, so when you point like this and look on the left side, the color, the top color will be either here or here. They will not be together. If they are together, is you have done something wrong, or is your cube is not correct, in correct order. So you will see that later. So when it's here, what you do is face it down like this. Then you do this R U2 R I U2 R U, then this R I U R. So the top is fixed. So it's cool. So then you put it aside.